Greetings, Master. When practicing Energy Bagua in a group, I could feel a strong energy field and my body warming up. When I stepped out of the circle, I felt a drastic drop in my body temperature. How come? I've experienced that before. When I was younger, I went into the sea with some disciples. We just soaked our bodies in the seawater. It was not that deep, just around chest level. I'd say about 1.2 meters approximately. There were about 5 or 6 of us, and we formed a circle. Then we placed our hands in the middle of the circle. We used none of our powers. We just visualized that we were practicing. We were not moving at all. About 2 to 3 minutes later, the water inside the circle became warm. Outside the circle, it was cold. I'd say that the difference was about 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. The sea is not dead, you know. It is alive. Look at the rise and fall of the tides, and you'll know. When we use our power, it's through our energy fields. Everyone carries a different energy field. It shows things such as your health condition, temperament, personality, behavior, occupation, etc. Those are just some examples. To read energy fields, however, is not easy. Sometimes, you can feel it. For example, when someone greets you, you just feel that they emit a gentle, mild aura. You can feel that from just the greeting. Say the first person is mild and gentle. You meet another that's got a really fiery aura. You'd probably stay away from that person. Also, there's a gloomy type of aura. Without looking at a person who is not talking or moving, you can still feel their field through sensations. An energy field, or aura, is indeed unique. While we're circling, an energy field containing vital energy is formed in the middle. Can human cells generate electricity? If the answer is yes, then imagine when we practice in groups. Is it possible to form energy fields containing electricity? Imagine when our vital energy is combined with electricity. Everyone carries their own energy field. Imagine when everyone in a group has a common peaceful state of mind and moves according to the same instructions. What kind of energy field would this form? An energy field that's healthy and gentle in nature, right? One that boosts recovery, right? What is the healing power? It's actually a recovery effect generated from practicing. That is why practicing Energy Bagua can help you recover your health. Just do it according to the instructions, and you'll feel the formation of such an energy field.